These are the ones you want to put in. These are the ones everybody loves. See, did you ever see the video where there's a naked guy in the laundromat? It's him. I think we made him nervous. But now we need to change out this laundromat. So this is laundromat number 3, the one I built. Let's get to it. This is the 30-pounder. That one did a lot better. It echoes in here bad. Echoes in here bad. Because it's all concrete. There's nothing to deaden the sound. These are 20-pounders. Now we go to the big machines. These are the ones you want to put in. These are the ones everybody loves. And you always want them at the front of the building, like when they first walk in. That was an 80-pounder. These are like the 60s. Wow. Now we got to do the dryers. See how that works out for us. Sucks in here we don't have laundry carts, so it's you have to carry everything. Oh, I hate coin boxes. It's a struggle. Coin boxes, I hate coin boxes. What happens a lot of these laundromats, these little nuts will back themselves off, and then you'll get the key in there and you can't get the key out. It'll actually get stuck. I think we made him nervous. If you didn't know, we have a guest hanging out in the back. See, did you ever see the video where there's a naked guy in the laundromat? Time to go, buddy.
I'm up, man.
Quit jerking off, let's go. It's him. Yeah. Let's see if I can carry it all the way. As we go down the line, they get used less and less. See what I mean? Yep, 2 more left. This bucket's getting heavy. Let's go take a look at the change machine and see what it did. Watch your step on the manhole. You don't want to go down there. So let's open up their break-in box. See how much money we got. This is just a couple days. $20s in there, it's not bad. This location is my least popular, but it's mainly because of marketing and advertising. If I would market it and advertise it better, lighting. There we go. Should be back to full. I'm gonna reset it. That's what you want your bill validator to sound like. So That's it. That's it of that.